Hello traders, in this video we are going to be comparing the Bollinger Bands and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. All right, we want to find out which indicator gives better trading results. Okay, let us start by adding both indicators to the chart. Okay. Now, Bollinger Bands and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator are two widely used tools in technical analysis, but they focus on different aspects of market behavior, right? So the Bollinger Bands are built around the moving average, right? With two outer bands. You can see the moving average in the middle and then the two outer bands based on standard deviation, right? So these bands expand, like you can see what happened here, right? The bands expand when market volatility increases, and then they contract, like what happened here when the market volatility decreases. So traders often use Bollinger Bands to analyze volatility, price extremes, and potential reversal zones. When price approaches the upper band, it may suggest stronger buying pressure, while movement toward the lower band may indicate selling pressure. Now, MACD works differently, right? It measures the relationship between two exponential moving averages and displays the result as an MACD line, a signal line, and the histogram bars, right? So traders typically watch for crossovers between the MACD line and the signal line. Like you can see the crossover that happened here showing a potential buy signal, right? And then the histogram bars also confirming the momentum change. Okay, so the histogram helps visualize whether momentum is strengthening or weakening. In comparison, the Bollinger Bands focus on volatility and price boundaries, while the MACD focuses on momentum and trend direction. All right, if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.